Making a course on Wix is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open Google Chrome and search for Wix in the search bar. Click on the Wix website. After logging in, your Wix website dashboard will open. Wix makes it easy to create and manage online courses, even if you don't have any technical experience. You can use the drag and drop editor to create your course content. And the built-in tools make it easy to add quizzes, assignments, and other interactive elements. Click on the Edit Site button. Then, click on the Add Apps button and search for Wix Online Programs. Click on the Add to Site button to add it to your site. Next, click on the Pages button. Then, click on Site menu. Click on Programs list and then Settings. Enter the page name here. Click on the Save button. Then, open your Wix website dashboard. Click on Online Programs. Here, you can see a lot of programs. We want to create an online course, so we have to choose Online Courses. Click on the Category button and then Add New Category. Write the category name in the category name box and click on the Save button. Click on the Programs button and then Online Courses to select it. Click on the Next button. Then, click on the Start Fresh button and then the Next button again. Now, write the program name here. You can select Scheduled or Self-Page. I selected Scheduled and clicked on the Next button. Next, you can select Flexible Start Date or Specific Start Date. I chose Flexible Start Date. You have to enter the duration and you can select weeks or days. Click on the Next button. Now, you can see that you have created an Amazon course. Now, you have to edit your course here. Go to the Schedule section. Click on the Add Step button. Write the step name here and enter the date and day. You can also upload a file, image, or video related to your course. Click on the Save button. On the top, you can see that you created Amazon Basics. If you want to add a quiz to the online course, click on the Add Quiz button. Write the name of the quiz in the quiz box and then enter the date or day. Click on the Add Questions button to add the questions. Click on the Save button. Similarly, you can add the details of the second day, third day, and so on. After entering all the details, click on the Price button. Set the visibility of this course to public, private, or secret. Set the price. You can offer this course for free or you can set a price and people will pay to join this course. If you want to set a price, enter it in the box. You can also choose the number of participants, unlimited or limited. Then, add a subscription and pricing plan. Click on the Save button. After entering all these details, its visibility, price, rewards, group, main picture, schedule, daily schedule, quiz, and all the details of the weeks, click on the Publish button to publish your course online. You can reach a wider audience. Online courses can be accessed by people all over the world, regardless of their location. You can save money. There are no physical classrooms or materials to rent or purchase, so you can save money on overhead costs. You can be more flexible. You can create your own schedule and work from anywhere. You can track your progress. Wix provides analytics that can help you track how students are engaging with your content and make improvements to your course. You can see that your course is published. People will be able to access your course now. And it's done. This is how you can make a course on Wix.